Meet Pepe Ball. He is a peach-faced lovebird who resides in Milan, Italy. So he always has our attention and the attention of his audience too. Pepe and his owner do a variety of things together. However, Pepe seems fascinated by computers, whether it's iPads or MacBooks. This is one tech-savvy bird. Lovebirds are normally seen in pairs, but they can live on their own as well. However, individual lovebirds require plenty of attention from their owner, as they are very social birds. Lovebirds are bold, curious, and would always seek to entertain their owner no matter what. These birds are always on the go and always seem to be so full of energy. The birds tend to live in small flocks. Furthermore, they have a herbivore diet, thus they tend to feast on fruits, vegetables, seeds, grass, etc. The birds are understandably chatty and are almost always whistling some kind of random tune they picked up. They tend to communicate in whistles and chatters. Actually, if you gather a group of them, you might be looking at a lovebird concert right in your home. Lovebirds are mostly native to Africa and they opt to live in forested areas. There, they usually remain perched on top of their nests, which they make in trees, as is the case with many birds. Lovebirds are surprisingly small parrots, and Pepe is no different. The red on his pretty face blends in rather well with the rest of his green feathers. Lovebirds are super active. Toys are a must for them, and the owner must keep them in the largest possible cage you can find. Otherwise, they might end up becoming depressed in very small cages. With that said, Pepe's human gives him plenty of time and loads of love too. After all, he is a lovebird. Of course, Pepe does other cute things which are just downright adorable. Finally, with proper love, attention and care, lovebirds can even live as high as 15 to 20 years. Who knows, perhaps even more. Love this video? Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more adorable animal content.